Good morning, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. Michael the Maven. Many of you have asked for a Black Friday coupon, and here it is, 25% off everything in the store. I have never done that. I think my prices are pretty reasonable already, but if you've been on the fence, this is your opportunity. The coupon code is MAVEN25. There's over 60 camera training videos. I have courses on advanced techniques, lighting, Photoshop, even a business crash course. We also have my spectacular Maven Filters. If you guys know about these, this is going to be the lowest price I've had them available. I'm taking an additional $20 off plus the coupon code. Limited number of those remaining. Also need to let you know that I have a limited number of a brand new product coming in, the Maven Mini Mic Kit. These will be shipped in. I have about 10 of them I can release next week. First come, first serve. The list price is gonna be $65. I've knocked that price down to $50 plus the coupon, so you will get them at a steal of a deal. If you're just getting into videography and you need a good all-around purpose mic, it even has a dead cat, it's a tremendous value. If you know somebody who's getting a camera for Christmas, we are thrilled to be able to give them a coupon code, or we'll put it on a thumb drive. They're big courses, they no longer fit on DVDs. So check those links out in the description. Lots of great deals, plus 25% off everything else. The sale will end Sunday night Eastern time at 9 p.m. In any event, thank you guys so much for your support over the years. Happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you next time.